Da Hatire Bağı'da burada. Memorial Garden. Got confused.
Came from a difficult rescue situation in March of 2023. We think he is almost 4 years old now. Coming from a troubled past, has his struggles and successes in the agility journey. When he first came out, he started lying down in the tunnels and not coming out and crashing through the green barriers when asked to jump. He has been competing in agility since last year and has his open titles in standard, fast, and jump. He has reached the player level in international dog agility, and he also competes in rally and has advanced title. He has advanced trick dog and canine good citizen titles too. In his spare time, he likes to chase and play with squirrels, usually good to their detriment.
Not today.
Teeter.
Whoop.
Teeter. Boy, over. Tunnel. Tunnel. Here. Here. In. In. Go. Yes. We. Come on. We. Yes. Go. Go, go, go. Go, boy. Go, 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 go. Go. Go, go, go. Tunnel. Tunnel. Come here.
Shooter reads that he loves to swim and retrieve things in the water. She also likes to chase squirrels and steal snacks. In addition to agility, where Savvy is trying at the excellent level and resume top dog status in her ideal virtual league, Savvy also has master title in rally. She has advanced trick dog, aka 16 citizen, and Green Kingdom. Savvy is ready for the third job and loves to compete with the children in the water.
Here. Oh. Wow, that leg.